Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Li Ming. Today I'm gonna be making the healthy and delicious oatmeal cookies. This recipe does not add any sugar, butter, nor fat. It's healthy and nutritious. So if you're on a diet to lose some weight, or to control your cholesterol level or blood sugar level, or if you want to try another version of oatmeal cookies, this is the recipe for you. I use the bananas for the natural sweetness and also use the instant oats and oat bran instead of the flour, and replace the whole egg with egg whites, which makes these cookies much less carbs and calories that are good for us. And the best thing for this recipe is we only need 4 ingredients and they're super easy to make. And as usual, I will put all these ingredients and their measurements down below in the descriptions for you to follow along at home. And now let's get started. First, let's smash these bananas. If you don't have a smasher, you can always use the forks to smash bananas or steam the potatoes, etc. You want to choose ripe bananas for the sweet flavors. Add 1 tablespoon of egg whites. This is 1 cup of the mixed instant oats and oat brans. This is 10 pieces of pecan half shells, and I'm gonna break them into small pieces. For the instant oats and the oat bran, I mix them like half. If you don't have the oat bran, you can use all of the instant oats or even old-fashioned oats. That's also fine. The oat bran contains more than 90% of the nutrition of the oats, so I prefer to add some oat brans if we can. Use spatula to mix them well. Just keep stirring until they are well combined. If you have sweet tooth, you can always add some dried cranberries or dried blueberries or other dried fruits to add the sweet flavors. Now you can see all the ingredients are well combined. And next, we're gonna put them into the parchment paper lined up baking sheet. Take a small piece of the mixture on the parchment paper and form it into a disc shape. These are ready. We're gonna air fry them for 20 minutes at 355 degrees Fahrenheit. They are in golden brown color, and let them cool down. Let's have one. This one, it's a little bit crumbled on the edges and soft in the middle. To be honest, this texture is not as the crumble one that I made before, the most crumble oatmeal cookies, but this one is healthier and more nutritious. My New Year's resolution of 2022 is to gain more muscles and lose some belly fat. Because I wake up at 4 a.m. every day before I go out for a running, and this one is the best go-to snack for me before running. And also after running, I still need a snack before the breakfast. And I have no worries at all regarding to the calories and the carbs. My palm-sized piece, this one only has around 45 to 50 calories and less than 5 gram carbs and less than 1 gram saturated fat. So it's very healthy and it's very nutritious. I highly recommend this recipe and these oatmeal cookies for you if you have high cholesterol or high blood sugar, or if you want to lose some weight. I hope you like this video and like my recipe. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and please comment down below on your New Year's resolution. We can share. Please subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching and see you real soon in my next video. Bye!